You can earn up to 300 by typing names in online 2020. This is the best way to make money online. So what are the steps that I gonna show you in the video is how this work and what website you have to follow that. If you stick with me, I'm gonna show the website and the second website that you can use alternative to that. I will show that in the end of the video, so stick with that. And the first website which I'm gonna show you guys, it work worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't require any skill or website email list, and you only need an internet and a computer to do it. And also I'm gonna show the proof of making money on this website. For example, these peoples are made around 200 to 300 dollars in 2020 2020. That's 4 days ago. So you can make up to 300, 200 or 350. Sometimes some of the job in this website offer more than 700. Also, there's an alternative way to make money on this website. So the website is called Squad Help. You before heard about that, or you never heard about that? Basically, what this website do is offer um, a project for sailors. For example, if the people want to buy a name for the company, they don't know what name to put this for the startup company like finance or tech company, so they come here to this website and get idea for the name for the company, or slogan for the company, or logo for the company. As a freelancer, you have to bid for that job, and if you submit your idea, like for example logo design or the name for the company, if you win that, you get the money. So that's the basic things. For example, these are some of the example here. So they designed a logo and the name of the company and the slogan for the fitness. It's like that. So these are some example. So if we come down to here, name for sales in the section sailor, sell your names or market dashboard, or there's another section called contest. If you click here, how first, before I show you how you can make money, what is this website? So if you click how it's work, basically it will take to this page. I tell you that sailors come to this website to help with their logo or the name of the company or the slogans. So launching a contest, they will launch the contest, you do the job, and Squad help manage the rest of them. All right, so if you come down here, is for the buyer, for example your customer. They fill out the brief detail about the project, and they give feedback for the creatives. As a creator, you create name for the company or slogan or logo, and if you are winner, if they pick the winner, and for example if you are the winner, you get paid for that. So if we click the contest and come down to the pro section, you can click before I show you the active contest and how this work, you have to click this recent winners. It will take to this page and show you the number of guys are winning money every single day. So this is the image I showed you before. These are people are still making money. For example, this person name for the consulting company, picking a name for the consulting company, he made win around $200. Now imagine that. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to have a specific skill or language or do. This person, I will show you, this guy is the number one in Squad Help right now, and he's in Romania, so he's not that good in English as maybe, but is making money by picking a name for the consulting company. The entire detail for the consulting company is provided by the customer. So what is about, what service they do, so you have to come up with the name suitable for the company, and if they pick a winner, and you can make up to 200 to 300 per day. Maybe because that's why I'm gonna show how you can make money from that. So if you come here, more idea, if we go back here to leaderboard again, it will take you to the page with all the leaders. So this is the guy I showed you before, is in the first place. If we click this, it will open his profile. On the profile section, you can see he won over 104 contests, and the total points is 448,000, so 500,000 points, and he made over $22,000. And he's joined this account at in 2018 November. Basically, this section I will talk about now. So these are the job he win the contest. For example, these are the contests he participate and won. So for example, if you hear he participated over 1639 contests and he won 42 contests. Imagine, guys, over 1600 contests and he only won 42. The 42 contests made him around 22,000. Imagine how much money you can make from here. So for example, here in August 2019 he's participated in 277 contests, but he only won 7. But if each contest pay him around $200, he make around 1,400 per month alone by picking names for their companies. Easy, guys. But this section in it's quite help. Basically, you can create a company and sell it for example, this one, he created a logo and the company name for this this website. So for example, domain name ambassadors.com, and he already created the logo and the name for the company. Basically, it's like an e-commerce website. It's a website that you can sell it for here. So initial price for the item for 1,699, but you can also bid the number to install. You can do the installment payment here to buy for the customer section. But imagine, not only you can participate in contest, also you can show your website or logo designs for over $1,000 that you can make easy money, guys. So if you come down to the contest again, so if you click contest and click active contest, it will take you to this page where all the active contests show you guys. But for example, brand name for the tech platform and revolutionary community. Basically, this is the gig, you can say it like that. This person here want to name the company, the tech company that you are running, and to start a company. They say it's posted on 2 days ago and over 1,783 entries, and you can get paid for $500. If you click this one, I didn't sign the account I want to create now, but if you have an account here, it will show the entire detail, how the buyer put all the detail about the companies, what they do and what they want, all the things they needed for the company names. So you can pick a company name and send it to that, and you can make $500. So if you come down to here in the contest status, over 1,784 are submitted and 840 that were withdrawn, and currently active is 941. Number of participation 166, and the entries are 100. So for example, if you see that entries are submitted 1,784, entries are withdrawn 843, the currently active is 941, but number of participation is only 166, which means each person submit 1 or 2 design. So you can do that here, so you have more chance to win. If the person doesn't like one of your design, if you have a 5 or 6 design entered this competition, you have a more chance to win it. Right, guys, say that top 10 creative for these gigs. So every single day people are posting gigs on this website that you can do. There's 3 things that you have to do. Pick a name for the company, or slogan for the company, or logo for the company. Some gig pay you over 1,000 for do all of 3 in that. But guys, you don't need any skills to do that. Just come up with a creative name for the company. So if you don't like this, like picking company name or writing slogan or designing logo, you can go to the website called textbroker.co.uk or textbroker.com. Basically what this is, you create a professional or article for the buyer. First, if we come down here, there's a different type of article that you can create. So if you click price and service, it will show what type of article you can create and how much you can pay it. For example, if you have a 2-star, which means you contain a grammatical and verbal mistake. Sometimes it's a standard article with have some mistake on it. If 3, there's no mistake at all, and if 4-star is very good quality text, and 5-star mean a professional article like a journalistic quality. So if the quality of the article increase, your earning is increases. For example, if you have a degree in journalist, you have good at writing, you can write an article for this website, you can make 7 cents per word. So if you come down here, if you click 5-star and 1,000 words, and you can make €70, guys, it's around $60. That's easy money. You can spend 1 or 2 hours and creating $1,000 article, and you can make $60 every single time. It's not days per day. This website is not going to offer like a gigs that you can participate when you write article you get paid over and over and over again, guys. So these are the 2 websites that you can make money by writing articles or writing names or picking up a slogan for the website. This is the best way to make money online in 2020 and best passive income also. So guys, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channels, like my videos, and follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page or group, so I will more active over there. If you can ask any questions. If you really like my video, again subscribe and like and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release any video.